Hi Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Welcome or welcome back to your Twin Flame, Soulmate, and Love Connection Energy reading for the month of September 2021 with me, Ivy, Spiritual Messages, and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And if this message resonates with you, Virgo, I would really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell, as well as let me know in the comment section on how the message resonates with you. By doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. If this message does not resonate with you, Virgo, kindly consider checking your moon, your rising, and your Venus sign. One of those messages may resonate with you. And on today's reading here, Virgo, I'll be checking out on your energy and your person energy. So we are also going to be checking out the advice card towards the end of the reading for you here, Virgo. So please stay tuned until the end of the reading. Now let's start with your reading here. Let's start with the sign that I'm getting coming up for you here, Virgo. I'm getting a very strong water energy, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. I'm getting a very strong fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius, as well as earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. You or your person could have any of those signs strongly in their chart. Now looking into your energy here, Virgo, I've got the Page of Swords and I've got the Three of Cups energy coming up here. Firstly, I'm getting a very strong third party energy or third party situation, but I feel like this third party situation is more about the circle of people around your life here, Virgo. So this is basically referring to your family, friends, colleagues, basically people that you have constant interaction with, people that you are sharing about your dreams, about sharing about your secret, basically someone that you actually can open up yourself with here. Now with this third party energy, with this Three of Cups energy coming up here, someone that you're trusting, I would say here, someone that you really trusted in your life here, Virgo. I feel like those people may not really have a good intention about you, may not really hold your highest intention moving forward with their life, I would say, because what I'm getting coming up here is that the more that you share with them here is not helping you, but at the same time here this is just making you feeling down, I would say. So I won't be surprised if there are people around your life here that might be talking behind your back, if I have to be honest here, Virgo. So it's like you are sharing about what you want to be attracting into your life, your dreams, your secret, but at the same time the same people is also talking behind your back here is what I'm getting. So with this Page of Swords energy and the Three of Cups energy coming up here, the main advice that I'm getting coming up for you here in the month of September 2021 is that to be careful with whom you are sharing your dreams with whom you are sharing your secret, with whom you are asking for advice, because not everyone who seems to be like nice towards you here actually holds your highest intention, I would say here. So I feel like you need to be really careful on that. Now another thing that I've got coming up for you here, Virgo, I've got the Death energy coming up here, which is talking about transformation and rebirth energy coming in for you here as well, Virgo. So I feel like the month of September for you here is actually going to be the month full of transformation and full of rebirth, which is going to be bringing a lot of ultimate success coming in for you here as well. I've also got the Devil energy coming in here as well for you here, Virgo. I feel like the month of September, like I said before, the month of September here, the transformation and the rebirth energy that you will be getting throughout the month of September here is basically letting you know about the toxic energy, about the negative energy that have been there around your life, I would say here, Virgo. So please pay attention to that here is what I'm getting. And with this Page of Swords energy coming up here, I feel like you need to distribute your energy more evenly, because with this Page of Swords energy, what I'm getting coming up for you here, Virgo, is that sometimes you are like, I'm getting a very strong all over the place energy coming up for you here, if I have to be honest. So sometimes you have no idea how to keep yourself calm, or like you have no idea how to distribute your energy. So at the end of the day here, you're actually going to be feeling a lot more stress, a lot more drain, I would say here. And again, coming back to the people that have been spending time here as well. So there are many aspects of your life, I would say here, Virgo, that are actually connected to many karmic situation, to many third party situation, generally here negative and toxic energies surrounding your life. So I feel like this is really important for you here to be paying attention to that, on how to release yourself from those negative energy and from those toxic energies, what I'm getting coming up for you here, Virgo. Because the moment that you start realizing that, you're going to see a lot of major transformation and major rebirth energy coming in here for you, giving you a lot of ultimate happiness is what I'm getting coming up here. Now let's start with your person energy. Here it's also quite interesting because I've also got the same devil energy coming in here for your person as well. So I feel like both of you have the same conflict, I would say here, at least similar energy. Now with this devil energy coming up from your person here, one thing that I've got coming up here is that the moon energy coming in here as well. So I'm getting so many, I'm getting two messages coming up here for your person. So let me go through it one by one. First thing here is that your person, they are not really open about their emotion, or they don't know how to express themselves, how to express the emotion in general, I would say here, Virgo. So what happened here is that they tend to be keeping everything within themselves, and this is what make them to be, like at one point of time here they could be like coming up as quite stressed and having a lot of this high defensive wall are being built up around themselves, because I feel like they're having this very strong struggle to be open with themselves, to be open with their own emotion here, and this is what makes them to be running away from you, or at least at this point of time here to be seemingly stuck and having this stagnancy energy. Another thing that I've got coming up from your person here is that especially those who are currently in a third party situation or in a karmic situation, whether it's someone else or whether it's like toxic friend, toxic family members, what I'm getting coming up here is that there are a lot of deceptions and manipulation, a lot of things that are being hidden from them is what I'm getting coming up here, Virgo. So I feel like they might not know the truth entirely, I would say here. A lot of things that are being kept hidden from them here is what I'm getting coming up quite strongly, which I feel like the month of September is going to be the month where they're finally realizing all of these hidden things, all of the deceptions and manipulation that are being done by the third party or by the karmic here towards them. And I feel like this is going to be a huge game changer for your person here. And I've also got the strength energy coming in here as well. I feel like once they realizes all of these deceptions and all of this manipulation in general here, once they're actually being opened, and once the truth is actually being opened to them here, they're definitely going to find the strength to walk away from whatever situation, whatever karmic situation, whatever third party situation here. And this is also why I've got the Six of Wands energy coming in here as well. The Six of Wands energy is referring to the victorious outcome and a positive outcome that will be coming up between both of your connection here, Virgo. So the month of September here, I'm getting a very strong victorious energy coming up here, and the truth being out is what I'm getting coming up for you here, Virgo. Now looking into the advice card that I've got coming up for you here, I've got polarity coming in here. Integrate your shadow side. There can be no light without dark. Understand the law of polarity. I've also got receive coming in here as well. Be open to receive goodness. Believe you are worthy of abundance. A gift is coming to you soon. So like I said before, the month of September here is going to be like a huge game changer month, both for you and your person. So it's really important for you here is that to open up yourself here to receive all of this abundance to come into your life here, Virgo. And on top of that here, you also need to realize here that there can be no light without dark. So whatever emotion that you're feeling within yourself, there is no negative and there is no like bad or good emotion. One thing that you need to be doing here is that to be open with that emotion, which is also what your person will be going through throughout the month of September here. So that's it for your reading here, Virgo. I hope it resonates. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.